Hi guys, welcome back. And yes, I was going through some comments. I didn't realize that a few people are having issues with the actual connection of machine to a keyboard. So if you have just a simple keyboard, this is my synthesizer, but for me now it acts more like a controller because it's a synth, it's a Yamaha synthesizer. So it's a Yamaha synthesizer, but it acts like a string. So I have the Cubase, the machine. I use Cubase for as my DAW, and my Focusrite. My Focusrite right there. So a lot of people want to know how to connect this, and the sound machine, and the audio equipment to your computer. And like the machine already comes with power. So for me, it's very simple. The USB from machine, the USB from the machine simply goes into your computer. Behind your computer, you do it and install the driver, right? And then the power for the machine goes into the power socket. And then for the keyboard, I have the keyboard coming in. So this is for the synthesizer. This is my MIDI out. So simply come from MIDI out. So this is the orange. So the MIDI out from the keyboard simply goes into the MIDI in of the machine. That's it. And then from the MIDI in of the machine goes into the MIDI out on the Focusrite. So MIDI out from your controller or keyboard into the MIDI in of the machine, and then another one goes from MIDI out of the machine into the MIDI in of your audio device. So what that does is you can use your keyboard to play sounds from the machine, and then your software sees it pretty much. So next video I might actually show you how to connect that to the machine software. Alright, so I think that's pretty much it. So this is keyboard, machine, and your audio device, and I connect them via MIDI. MIDI is always good, man. I know probably now they got like USBs out there, but MIDI, I trust MIDI, man. Alright, until next time, like, subscribe for more, and I will surely do more videos. Thank you.